How to see Google Maps with an aerial view. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure you have the latest version of Google Maps application on your device. So let's search for Google Maps over here. And as we search for Google Maps, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. So here you can see we do not have an option of update, which means we have the latest version of the Google Maps application. So we're going to tap on open and it will land us to the Google Maps application. So just tap on the search for any location over here to get the aerial view. Now whenever you search for the location over here, so just tap on any locations over here, and here you can see this icon over here at the top right corner. So just tap on it and you'll get to see the option of satellite version. So just tap on satellite, and as you do that, you'll get to see the aerial view of different locations in Google Maps. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.